All right, playing a little 9 holes today. We're out here on the graveyard, 9-hole course out here at Flat Creek. First hole's par 5, I think 529 from the Blues. It rained severely the last couple days, so we are playing cart path only. So we're trying to keep the ball close to the cart path so we don't have to walk out in the mud. We're hoping for some tough conditions today, and I'm thinking the score is going to be high. So with all that being said, let's get to it. On Flat Creek, and what we got out here is par 4, number 1 handicap hole on this 9 holes. We got to play it out back around that bunker that's heading up over, where are we at, over here. Anyways, we're gonna tee off with like a 3-wood or a hybrid just to put it out and play. Very wet and muddy today, so we just got to get everything in play and try to make as many pars as we can. I don't know if we're gonna have many birdie opportunities, but we'll see what we can put together. All right, not too bad. Hit it up on the right side, which is where the cart path is, so that'll be good. Since it's cart path only today, that'll make our walk a little bit shorter. I think from there we're gonna probably have a long iron into the green, but we might have a straight look at it, so hopefully we're in a good position. Yeah, we are looking up over this hill here. We're about 200 out from the green over this hill, and we're just gonna hit a nice little soft little hybrid and see if we can't knock it up there close. Great start to the day so far. Through 3 holes, we are 3 pars in a row. So playing some conservative shots has really shown to be beneficial today. It is wet, it is muddy. I'm playing a little bit of like lift, clean, in place, but I really haven't run into too many bad spots yet. So here we are, another par 4. We're gonna aim down here just towards the house. Not really gonna try to cut off any of that dog leg today. We're just gonna go ahead and play the holes longer, hitting a lot more hybrids, some 5 irons, and just taking it easy and having a nice relaxed swing. And our goal was really to break 40, but with 3 pars, we're off to a fantastic start. we are 1 over through 8 holes, and it is starting to really come down now. So we're gonna try to finish it out and see if we can't just finish with our best round ever in the mud and in the rain. Just playing some conservative golf. Might be boring, but it does put up a good score. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching Birdie Juice. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor and click subscribe right up over here. Got some more videos for you to see right over there as well. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for watching Birdie Juice. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor and click subscribe right up over here. Got some more videos for you to see right over there as well. Thanks again for watching.